Good morning, children. Welcome back for maths once again. So, children, today we are going to start with subtracting bigger numbers. A new chapter we will be starting today with. Okay, now we have already done numbers up to 1000. So, now we will be doing subtracting and addition of bigger numbers. Both we have already done. So now today we will be doing with going with subtracting bigger numbers. Now this is very simple. If I take example of bigger number, that is 1 is 4 6 8 minus 2 1 3. Simply subtract. 8 minus 3 will be 5, 6 minus 1 will be again 5, and 4 minus 2 will be 2. So this is simple subtraction that you have to do. One more example I will take here. If I take an example of 8 3 5 minus 6 2 and 4. Okay, so now 5 minus 4 will be 1, 3 minus 2 will be 1, and 8 minus 6 will be 2. So this is how you have to subtract. This is how subtraction of bigger numbers you will do. Simple subtraction, nothing, only we have added one more place to it, that is hundreds place. We have been doing the same subtraction of two numbers like tens and ones place, right? So here we will be doing with hundreds place. Only that much difference is there. Other things are the same. Simple subtraction you have to do. The second thing that we are going to study is today is arranging the numbers in correct place. Okay, now in addition also we have done this. Okay, if I suppose have a number that is 285 minus 5. Sorry, first I will take tens place. Minus 21. Okay, now this is the number. How am I going to write this in some form? So hundreds, tens, ones. Simple. Now 285 is very simple. So a bigger number will always come up. Okay, subtraction sign. Now where I will write this number? This is a 2-digit number. Yes. So only tens and ones place. So the number will come here, 21. That will be 5 minus 1 will be 4, and 8 minus 2 will be 6. 264 is the answer. Simple. Only arranging it in proper place is very important. Okay. Now second sum. If I take 988 minus 6. Okay. Now again hundreds, tens place. These places, writing these places are very important because we can to know where we have to place the numbers, right? Now here 988 is a 3-digit number, so simply you will write it here minus, and now 6 is 1-digit number. That means only ones place is there. So where are you going to write this? You will write it in ones place. That is 6 here. And now subtract 8 minus 6 is 2. Here you don't have any number. Simply copy down this and simply copy down this. So this is how you have to do or arrange the numbers in proper places and then subtract. Okay. I hope, children, you have already understood. There is a worksheet following. We will complete that worksheet, so it will be more clear to you all. Okay. So next worksheet I'll be uploading that video of a worksheet. So complete that worksheet with me. Okay. Thank you, children.